Can you believe it's been 4 months since I've done a Dollar Tree haul? I mean, in Dollar Tree world, 4 months, I'm considered prehistoric at this point. But seriously speaking, I am here today with some fabulous goodies I scored by shopping in my local Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start out by digging in the bag, and that's what's going to make it as much fun for me as it should be for you all who've been waiting to see what goodies have Glam found in Dollar Tree this time. But wait, if you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I'm all for being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. I do encourage you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload. Period. You don't want to miss all the uploads I got going on this channel. So anyway, digging in the bag, that's what we're going to do, is dig in the bag. First thing about the bag, these hair masks. Now let me tell you something. I have been on Facebook heavy lately. I've been watching videos on Facebook, and the latest thing is hair masks. Like, you know, like the mask you put on your face. These are for your hair. So I've been seeing a lot of rave reviews about this L'Oreal Everpure hair mask, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. So I picked up the hair sheet mask steam treatment. All right, it's a 5-minute hair spa. You can use this on your natural hair, you can use this on your synthetic hair, you can use this however you choose to use it, as long as you put it on your hair. And I got these two right here. That was nice. What else is in here? Okay. Oh, another facial mask. This one is by Spa Life. Okay, this is bee venom, shea butter, and manuka honey. It's anti-aging. It helps to firm and hydrate your skin. Looks like this right here. They had me at the word anti-aging. So this is a hydrating facial mask, and I'm super excited to have gotten this. Please, if any of you have used any of the things that I'm sharing with you in the video, comment down below. I want to get that comment section going. Let me get your feedback. So on the back of this, it says this, we've added, okay, it says a secret natural product used by royalty for hundreds of centuries. Hundreds of centuries? Royalty? You know I'm thinking Egyptian, okay? They didn't play with their skincare game, so you know this is worth getting your hands on. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Okay. What else is in here? Whew, I'm trying to keep it together. Okay, we're going to get some random stuff out the bag next. Let me just get it all together. Random stuff. Oh, so this is from LA Colors Cosmetics. This is just a mirror, and I got this because it says glamour on it. Okay, anything with the word glamour in it, my fingertips be all over it, and it says glamour all the way. It's just a mirror I can keep in my purse. Speaking of mirrors, this is the LED mirror. What I like about this LED mirror is it lights up right here. So I need a battery, a AAA battery for this. Super cute. Then I just got this Special Moments magnetic photo frame. I got this because it's magnetic, and I'm just going to put this on my refrigerator. So got that little magnetic frame, you know, nothing too special about it. So back onto the spa, I got me the eye mask. Can't go wrong for eye masks. I have used these before in the past. I put them in the freezer, do my little facial therapy, put my mask on, and voila, the puffiness be gone, tired eyes gone. And you put this in your freezer, and or you put it in your refrigerator too. You can put this in your refrigerator too, but these are super cute, very effective, and really do work. So I got that. Okay, still with the spa. Okay, I got a multivitamin spa treatment mask. It's a 15-minute facial therapy by Global Beauty Care. Looks like this right here. Global Beauty is not new on my channel. In fact, I have used their products in several of my videos. I've shared with you all how I use Global Beauty Care skincare products. I've never had any type of reaction to using their products. They are a trusted brand, and they've been around for a very long time. Just because it's in Dollar Tree don't mean it's not of quality. Don't sleep. Dollar Tree skincare, dolls, because these masks be the answer. Still with the mask, this one again is by Spa Life. Now this is a 3-step mask, okay? Step 1 is anti-aging hydrating serum. Step 2 is the anti-aging hydrating anti-wrinkle treatment mask. And then step 3, day or night beauty boost serum. It looks like this right here. I keep telling you all, anything that got anti-aging in it, my fingertips is all over it, okay? I'm trying to preserve this beauty by all means necessary, okay? I'm going to age gracefully, okay? With the help of Spa Life anti-aging products. Yes, I will. So I got that right there. Okay. Then I went into, you know, the little beauty section. I got some Perfume. Now this one is the version of Chanel No. 5, and it comes with a mini body lotion. So when you're traveling and whatnot, these are excellent to have. When it comes to Dollar Tree, especially if you're an official glam doll, you already know I buy a lot of my perfumes from Dollar Tree. So if you haven't yet given they fragrances a try, don't sleep them. I kid you not, don't sleep them. You will be mad. Then I picked up this Mega Last lipstick. This is by Wet n Wild. I just got it because it was in there. It's like a mauvey pinkish looking color. Okay, super cute, $1. Why not? And now it's time. You wanna know what it's time for? My artificial nails. Yes! My artificial nails. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so that's the real reason why I went up in Dollar Tree, was for the artificial nails. It's been forever and a day since I've scored any, so I'm gonna start out with the first ones, black and white. Okay, you can't go wrong with black and white nails. There's no wrong way of doing it. So I got that design right there. Then I seen the red with the animal print. What? How cute are these? Come through, salon look, come through. Yes, I got that design right there. Then I want to keep it neutral. I want to keep it chic because they all about sassy and chic. I got the pink ones. Come on now, come through. Gorgeous. Look at those. And then the next ones I want to keep it simple, you know, black and white. Keep it neutral. Bang, I got that design right there. And just to go back over, this was the first black and white one that I showed you, and that's this one. So these are two different designs. I got them because my intention will be to mix them together. I keep telling you all, when it comes to the artificial nails, do not limit yourselves to just the one pack. Anytime you have nails that are in the same length and shape of each other, but from two different brands or two totally different designs, mix them together. That way you can create your own custom, one-of-a-kind, salon finish, manicured hand look, which I will be utilizing with these two right here. Then I said, you know what? Let me bump it up a notch. I got that design right there. Those are super cute. Wasn't going to leave those behind. And the last pair I have to share with you are some regular blue stiletto nails, because I love the stiletto nails that are in my local Dollar Tree. And on that note, this now concludes the video. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun sharing with you all these fabulous picks, and I'm kind of annoyed with myself that it took me so long to get up in my local Dollar Tree. But the one thing I really went in there looking for was the coffin shaped artificial nails that I've seen so many glam dolls hauling, but I was not successful and have not been successful in finding them. Wonk wonk. But on that note, seriously speaking, this now concludes the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure you check your local Dollar Tree for everything that I showed you in this video, simply because once something is gone in Dollar Tree, it is gone, and ain't no telling when it might come back. Okay, dolls, for real, thank you for watching the video. I'm gonna go and start putting my things away, and I will see y'all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.